Today is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. We are talking about adding three numbers. So I made this handy dandy chart yesterday to help us understand how to add three numbers. So we talked about three different strategies, and we're going to practice some adding three numbers today. We talked about making a 10. So when you had your three numbers, 2 plus 8 plus 3, you could see that 2 and 8 make an easy 10. And 10 plus 3 is super simple. That's 13. Easy peasy. So 2 plus 8 plus 3 must also equal 13. The second strategy we talked about was making a double. So making doubles, okay? So making a doubles fact. 5 plus 2 plus 3, well, we know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 5 plus 5 is super easy to solve, and that's 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3 equals 10. Then the last one we talked about, which can throw kind of like a wrench in what we're doing, is there's no 10 or doubles. There's no doubles either. So we talked about two different ways to do that. Is we could add to make a bigger number. Okay, so like 6 plus 7 equals 13 plus one more equals 14. And then you could add the first two numbers just because you were adding the first two numbers to add to the second number. So like 5 plus 6 plus 3, 5 plus 6 equals 11, 11 plus 3 equals 14. Okay, so this is our adding three numbers. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this. And we are going to solve some problems together. Okay? So does everyone have a notebook and a pencil or dry erase board and a marker? One or the other. If you do not, I will give you 30 seconds, which is a lot longer than you think, to go grab something to write on and something to write with. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okie dokie. Even if you're not back, it's okay, no worries. We're going to solve this first problem, so I would like everyone to write down this equation. Two plus 4 plus 6 equals unknown. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals unknown. Okay, dude, I know you're excited. Calm down. He's super excited to see all of your work. Okay, who could tell me one way to solve this three numbers? Solving to add these three numbers. What's one way we could solve it? Hold on. I'm waiting for someone to raise their hand. We do not just call out, even though I know we're not in a class. We raise our hand still. Gage, give me one way to solve this problem.
2 plus 4 equals 6, and 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus you would add the two more six ones, and then that would equal 12.
Okay, so 2 plus 4 equals 6, right? So you could do 6 plus 6, right? What's another way I could solve it? That's one way. There's actually a second way. Darren?
10.
To make a 10, right. So which two numbers make a 10?
Well, 6.
4 plus 6 make a 10, and then you'd still have to do 2 plus 10. So, I would like you to solve this problem. So either show where you're adding 2 plus 4 to make a 6, so it would be 6 plus 6, or making this one into a 10 and doing 2 plus 10, and then solve it. So I want to see you solve the problem. So there's 2 different ways to solve adding these 3 numbers together. Question, Carson?
I know it.
You know it? Okay, I'm going to do a show me your work. I'm glad you know it. Good girl.
But I don't know how to write it, but I know it's it.
Okay. Okay. We'll work through it together, too, to write it after I see everyone's work. All right, show me your work in 3, 2, 1. It's okay if you're not finished. I want to see what you got so far. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, I'm going to show both ways. The first way was you take 2 and 4 and you add them together. So 2 plus 4 more. Put 2 in your head. 3, 4, 5, 6. And I get 6 plus 6. Now, who could raise their hand and tell me what is 6 plus 6? Easy?
It equals 12.
6 plus 6 equals 12. That is correct. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 must also equal 12. So this was one way. Okay? Another way to do it would have been to take 4 and 6 and add them together to make 10. So, what does 2 plus 10 equal? Who could tell me that? George.
12.
12, right? 2 plus 10 equals 12. So, both strategies worked. One wasn't wrong, one wasn't incorrect. Both worked. Okay? So, let's try another one. Let's try another one. Okay. So I would like everyone to write this down. 8 plus 1 plus 4 equals unknown. 8 plus 1 plus 4 equals unknown. Now, there might not be an easy way to make this one, so you might just have to add those first 2 numbers together or add the bigger 2 numbers. I would like you to solve this problem on your own by showing your work. Whether that be you're combining numbers to make a new number, you're combining 2 big numbers, you can even draw the circles out if you need to show your work. Dale, simmer. Dale! 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 No, bad dinosaur. Dale attacked me!
Bad dinosaur?
He just attacked me! Oh, because he was so excited! He was so excited for math.
Put him in the dumpster.
No, I would never do that. He's just in timeout right now.
Put him in the trash.
No, that's not nice. We don't say that about our friends, and Dale is our friend. Okay. Put your hands on your head when you're finished solving this problem. Bristol, question.
I don't know if we're supposed to find that problem or not.
If we're supposed to write this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and write this one down and we're going to solve it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Who could, I know that Bristol's solving the problem, which is okay. I would like everyone else to show me their work. 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Nice. Easy up a little bit. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Put them down. Okay. So Bristol and other friends who didn't finish, that's okay. We could do 8 plus 1 and just use the first two numbers, which is 9, right? And then solve plus 4 equals unknown. You could have also taken 8 plus 4, made 12, add 1 more. I saw some other friends who did that, like George, right? So you could have also solved it that way. But if you do 9 plus 4, you put 9 in your head. 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer would have been 13. Okay? So 8 plus 1 plus 4 equals 13. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay? So both of those equal 13. Bristol, did you get that, girly goo? Thinking? Good, good, Jackson Sawyer. Good, yeah. Lovely. Okay. Let's try one more. Okay. I would like you to write down. Oh, good, Bristol. Yeah. There you go, girly. Awesome sauce. Fantastic. See, you're right on track. Okay, I would like you to write down this problem right here. 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals unknown. 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals unknown. Once you have that equation written down, give me your best silly face. 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals unknown. Oh, easy. That's, Jackson and Sawyer. Oh, lovely. Oh, beautiful. Okay, silly faces. Stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Silly faces, stop. Aubrey, you okay, girl? Yes? Okay. I would like you to solve this problem. Solve this problem. 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals unknown. Don't forget your strategies, okay? 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals unknown. Ow, that hurt. I just whacked my funny bone and it wasn't very funny. Ouchies, that hurt. Okay, 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals unknown. I would like you to solve this problem. When you finish, give me your best fishy face. When you finish solving this problem, solve the problem. Make sure your problem is solved and you have an answer and you have work. I need to see that strategy or that work. Show me your work. I want to see the work, not just an answer. I got to know how your brain is computing those math problems. If you can't do a fishy face because you can't suck your cheeks in, blah, 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 blah. That would be a good fishy face too. Koi. Did you ever see koi in like a koi pond? They go like this. That would be a good fishy face too. If you're an anglerfish, which is a scary fish, they have like real big teeth and a little thing that dangles. That could also be a fishy face. Question? Yes?
At the end, can I see Gogo?
No, Gogo's not here right now. Sorry, girly.
Where's he?
He's in the other room. So I don't have him when I have to sit on the floor because it makes teaching difficult. Okie dokie. Show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. And of course you all went dark. Oh, there's one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Some different strategies there. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Good job, George, Bristol, Zoe, Darren, Jackson Sawyer, Gage, Alice I saw, Cameron, Aubrey, good, Journey. Good. Yeah. So there's some different ways to solve this one too. The way I was thinking of was that you would combine 3 and 7 because 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then it would be really easy to add 10 plus 10 because we all know what 10 plus 10 is. What's 10 plus 10? Tell me.
20.
20. That's right. 10 plus 10 is 20. But I also saw some friends who solved this problem in a different way. So some friends added 10 and 3 together to make it 13 plus 7. Okay, 13 plus 7. And some other friends who added 10 and 7 together to make it 17 plus 3. Any of those strategies work. You added a couple numbers together to get the sum of the 3 numbers you were adding together. Any of those strategies work. There's no correct way to solve these problems. Or, there's no incorrect way. Sorry, there's correct ways to solve. There's no incorrect way. So if you solved it this way, this way, this way, any of those ways works, okay? Because it's what's easiest for you to solve it. Remember? That's why I gave you, that's why we learned a bunch of different strategies. We learned more than one because you want to make sure you use a strategy that works best for you. You don't want to just use a strategy because Mrs. Cooper said, oh, this is probably the easiest one. It might not be the easiest one for you, okay? For your seesaw activity today, you are doing something very similar to what you did yesterday. So you added those 3 numbers. If you needed to, you could do your work on a separate sheet of paper. What's nice about this seesaw activity today And I am going to show you today. You get to add, okay? You get to add these, and you can use the number line to help you figure out. And there's a little guy here to help you hop, okay? Or you can use the pen tool to help you hop. So like for instance, you could start at 4. Then you could go, here, let me actually go to add response. Sample. Okay? So you could literally start at the number 4, right? And you could go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I started at 4, I hopped 4 more, and then I'm going to change the color, okay, just so I can remember, and I hopped 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? What number did I end at? I ended at the number 12. So I'd write the number 12 here. So it's just giving you a different strategy. If you want to solve these on a separate sheet of paper, take a picture, upload it. If you want to solve them on a separate sheet of paper, write in the answers. It's up to you. I want you to do it to best help you practice, okay? So it's about you practicing. It is not about, don't say goodbye just yet, I haven't finished, okay? It's about you practicing, all right? So that's the end of our math lesson. Some of you do have intervention today, so I'll see you at intervention. The rest of you, we have our math. We're in math.